Hey folks, Alan Mandic, the Hot Rod Hippie here, coming to you with more SEMA 2019 coverage. On Monday, before SEMA got started, I made a fairly prophetic statement.
Saying right now, right here, 2020 Supras are probably going to be pretty popular at this year's show. Go ahead.
Now clearly it was a fairly safe bet to make. It's 2020 Supras, they're new, they're going to be at SEMA, but I couldn't have expected there were going to be 47 of them at the last count that I heard. I don't even know. There were just so many of them that I started filming so many of them. I decided I'm going to make a dedicated video to just 2020 Supras, and that's what this video is right here. So I don't expect watch times to be great on this one, but I hope you folks stick around, check it out, see how people try to differentiate their Supras. So we got stock cars, we got race cars, and we got everything in between. Let's check it out.
SEMA 2019 coverage is brought to you by the fine folks at Trick Tools, high-performance tools for fabricators, and home of the no-junk guarantee. SEMA coverage is also brought to you by the folks at Sunex Tools, high-quality hand tools, shop equipment, and tool storage options at affordable prices. Links in the description down below. So let me ask you folks, what do you think about the Supra? Or how about the Supra? Or maybe the Supra? Or the Supra? Or the Supra? Or the Supra? Oh, something different over here, a Supra. That's a strange looking Supra. That's not pink.
All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you found it interesting. I mean, these cars were just everywhere. If I was going to stick these Supras into the overall car video that I will end up doing from SEMA 2019, they would have taken up so much of that video, it just made sense to give them their own dedicated video. Drop this video a like if you found it interesting. If you stuck around to here, please leave me a comment down below and let me know you stuck around. It really helps my watch times. Thank you for sticking around. Go ahead and subscribe to keep up to date with all the content. Thanks for coming around, folks.